Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you enjoy beautiful crochet creations and elegant home decor ideas, you are in the right place. Today we are looking at a stunning crochet bedsheet decorated with delicate ribbon embroidery. This handmade design combines the beauty of crochet lace with colorful ribbon flowers, creating a bedsheet that looks graceful, luxurious and full of charm. Let's explore this beautiful design together. The first thing that catches the eye is the elegant crochet lace border. The border is carefully made with repeating floral and lace patterns that give the bedsheet a soft and classic finish. Crochet edging not only decorates the fabric but also makes the bedsheet and handcrafted. The main attraction of this design is the ribbon embroidery. Soft satin ribbons are used to create lovely roses, tiny flowers, green leaves and delicate birds. These flowers look fresh and three-dimensional, adding texture and beauty of the fabric. The colorful ribbon work makes the bedsheet look artistic and unique. You can choose ribbon in pink, red, peach, lavender, white, yellow or any colors that match your bedroom. Green ribbon leaves complete the floral design and give it a natural look. Light colored fabrics such as white, cream or pastel shades helps the embroidery stand out beautifully. One wonderful feature of this bedsheet is that every piece can be different. You can place ribbon flowers in the corners, create a floral border around the edges, or make a large bouquet in the center. Every arrangement creates a new and beautiful style. The crochet border and ribbon embroidery work perfectly together. The lace adds elegance while the ribbon flowers add softness and color. This combination creates a timeless handmade design that never goes out of style. A crochet bedsheet with ribbon embroidery is perfect for decorating your own bedroom. It is also a thoughtful handmade gift for weddings, anniversaries, birthdays, housewarming celebrations or special family occasions. Handmade gifts always carry extra love and care. To complete the look, you can make matching pillow covers with small crochet lace borders and ribbon flower embroidery. Adding matching cushions or a cushion table runner can create a beautiful and coordinated bedroom decoration. The best part about handmade crochet and ribbon embroidery is that they allow you to express your creativity. You can experiment with different flower designs, ribbon colors, lace patterns and fabric shades to create something truly personal and unique. These beautiful designs also inspire many people who enjoy DIY crafts, embroidery and crochet projects. Even beginners can start with simple ribbon flowers and gradually learn more advanced embroidery techniques while improving their crochet skills. Handmade home decor never loses its beauty. It adds warmth, comfort and personality to every room. A crochet bedsheet with ribbon embroidery is more than just bedding. It is a piece of art created with patience, creativity and love. I hope this beautiful crochet bedsheet has inspired you with new ideas for